Syncing form responses with customer profiles can save you time and help you manage your data more efficiently. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to sync those form responses with customer profiles using software that integrates seamlessly with your CRM. Stick around until the end, as I'll reveal an exclusive free trial for the software we're using, available only for viewers of my channel. When you're collecting data from forms, you want to ensure that it's directly tied to your customer profiles. If you don't sync this data, you could be left with isolated pieces of information, which makes it harder to follow up with your customers or keep track of key details. Today, I'll walk you through a quick, easy process that connects form responses to those profiles, so everything stays organized. First, let's talk about why you should sync form responses in the first place. By doing this, you can instantly update customer records with new data without manually entering it. This saves you time, reduces errors, and ensures you're always working with the most up-to-date information. Let's jump straight into how to set this up. We're going to use a piece of software that integrates well with many CRMs. The first step is to connect the form tool to your CRM. Most form tools offer built-in integrations with major CRMs, so it's as simple as entering your CRM login credentials. Once that's done, the form tool will be able to pull data directly into the CRM system. Next, you'll need to map your form fields to the corresponding fields in your customer profiles. For example, if your form asks for the customer's name, you'll map the name field in the form to the name field in your CRM's customer profile. This ensures that each form response gets added in the right place within the profile. Once the fields are mapped, make sure the data is syncing automatically. This means that every time a customer submits a form, their information is updated in your CRM instantly without you needing to do a thing. The software will handle this process in the background so you can focus on running your business. Before you hit save, take a moment to check the sync settings. Some tools let you choose when the sync happens, instantly, every hour, or at set intervals. I recommend setting it to sync immediately, so you're always working with real-time data. Now that your form responses are syncing with your customer profiles, you'll be able to segment your customers based on the data they've submitted. For example, if someone filled out a form indicating interest in a product, you can automatically tag them as a potential lead in your CRM. This makes follow-up easy and personalized. And don't forget, syncing form responses with customer profiles isn't just about convenience, it's about enhancing your customer experience. By having everything in one place, you can create more targeted marketing campaigns, personalize communications, and better track customer journeys. If you want to follow along with this process, I've got an exclusive offer for you. The software we're using today comes with a free trial for viewers of my channel. You can find the link to it in the description below, so take advantage of that if you're looking to streamline your workflow. To wrap up, here's the key takeaway. Syncing form responses with customer profiles is a game changer. It saves you time, keeps your data organized, and makes sure you're always up to date on your customer information. Remember, the key steps are connecting your form tool to your CRM, mapping the fields, and setting up automatic syncing. And don't forget, the exclusive free trial for the software we use today is available for a limited time in the description. Check it out to get started and make syncing form responses with customer profiles even easier.